on it.
Just a minute.
Come on. Push on with your foot, Kendrick.
Push his foot down on it, he'll get it.
He's just watching the movie.
Good job! He loves it.
Where is the coat? Oh, there she is.
You want to get out?
Let's go see Brent, lady.
No.
I want to see him hit the truck about full speed there.
There you go. Now step on it again.
Mommy, what? Mommy's going to.
Posse track.
Yeah, step on your foot.
Whoa.
She
Too big.
Okay. Shane, we're in different gears.
Middle.
What's the slow one?
Middle waist.
Put your seatbelt on, that's right. We gotta put our seatbelt on.
All the way up. All the way up. As fast.
Mommy's going to. Hold Mommy's
Come over
hand.
here.
Stand on it, Kendrick. Push on the pedal. Can you push the pedal down?
The pedal with your foot. Want to do it? Oh, Delaney did it.
Well, Grandma needs to put him out, too. Grandma's not the boss.
Is that the phone?
Mom, get the toe.
Are you about ready to go back inside and sing happy birthday to Delaney?
Press on the gas. Push on the pedal.
I think I probably could. Okay. Put your foot on it. Gee, they're going to go crashing right into that.
Now, what do you think I'm standing here for?
Here, put your foot on it.
Hannah.
Here, put your foot
I
on
think Kendrick's tired of it too.
Mom, go to.
Mommy's going to. Okay, Kendrick.
Hannah wants to ride it back up.
Huh?
Hannah wants to ride it back
Angela.
Hannah, come here. Come here. Hannah.